Top 5 Incredibly Rare Flowers. Number 5. Jade Vine, Strongylodyne macrobotrys. The jade vine is a rare woody vine native to the tropical rainforests of the Philippines. It is a member of the pea and bend family and is closely related to kidney beans. The plant carries claw-shaped flowers which grow from hanging trusses. They can reach up to 3 meters in length. The flower's color can vary from blue-green to mint green. The species has proven extremely difficult to propagate, and is considered an endangered species due to the destruction of its habitat and a decrease in natural pollinators. Number 4. Corpse Flower, Rafflesia arnoldii. This fascinating flower is found mainly in low-lying tropical rainforests of Indonesia. This is one of the world's rarest, most endangered and largest flowers, and it can reach a total width of over a meter. The Rafflesia's survival is totally dependent on a specific vine called the Tetrastigma vine. As the Rafflesia is a bodiless, stemless, leafless, rootless parasite, it requires the vine for nourishment and support. It is also a carrion plant, which means that it releases a pungent rotten flesh smell when in bloom to attract flies and carrion beetles to aid in pollination. Once in bloom, the flower will only last about a week before dying. Number 3. This species of campion is particularly rare and is only found on the high cliffs of Gibraltar. This plant was believed extinct by the entire scientific community outside Gibraltar in the 1980s, but the Gibraltar Botanical Section knew there were a few specimens left. Sadly, by 1992 all traces of the plant had vanished and it was declared extinct. In 1994 a single specimen was discovered by a climber on the inaccessible cliffs and the species came back to life. It was propagated at the Millennium Seed Bank and specimens are grown at the Almeida Gibraltar Botanic Gardens as well as the Royal Botanic Gardens in London. Number 2. Franklinia latamaha. This tree is a part of the tea family but is the sole species in its genus and a very rare flowering plant. The tree is native to the Altamaha River Valley in Georgia, but has been extinct in the wild since the early 19th century. In fact, this beautiful tree is only known today because of the Bartram family, who were avid horticulturists and propagated the tree before its extinction in the wild. The plant, which has fragrant white blooms and leaves that turn into a bright red color in fall, is now a popular ornamental plant. All the examples of this tree today stem from one of the trees propagated by the Bartrams. Number 1. Parrot-speak, Lotus bertholati. This is a beautiful flower that has been classed as exceedingly rare since 1884. It is believed to be completely extinct in the wild, but a few individuals might have survived. This stunning plant is endemic to the Canary Islands and is believed to have originally been pollinated by sunbirds, which have long since become extinct in the Canary Islands. This could help to explain the scarcity of the plant. Experiments have been undertaken to find new pollinators for the flowers, in hopes that they can successfully be reintroduced to the islands, but as of 2008, no fruit had been successfully produced. The parrot-speak is however cultivated in the horticulture trade, which can allow even you to own one.